For somebody that wants to become a data analyst, I don't think you have a better thing outside there. This is the best you can get. I actually studied electrical electronics engineering, NNPC. I was in maintenance department initially, but presently I'm in operations department, and we work with a lot of data. Since I work with a lot of data, and then we do a lot of presentation with top management, so I felt when somebody told me about programming tools, so I felt if I can have a broader knowledge on things like that, it will help my job function. A colleague of mine actually introduced me to this program. If you have like a university kind of certificate, unlike the short certificate people get online, it can actually be added to your qualifications, and during promotion, it could be an advantage. I didn't have anything. So at first when I joined the school, seeing all those Python languages, because it's like learning something, a new language altogether. So, but at the end of the day, I was able to pull through with the help of the mentors. Everything worked out well. During that mentor class, and then if we had any challenge or any question, then we could ask, and then they will explain it to us as well. And then we had also several case studies. Definitely, I will. In fact, I've even told my colleagues about it, about visualizing them, about working with different models to come up with informed decision. So this is the best you have out there.